Math Module 4, Lesson 25. I can divide a whole number by a unit fraction. Make sure everything I do in the video, you do in your workbook. Pause to catch up. Rewind and rewatch if still confused. Anything to be successful. Good luck. Problem number 1. Jenny buys 2 pounds of pecans. If Jenny puts 2 pounds in each bag, how many bags can she make? Well, 2 pounds divided by 2 pounds in one bag. 2 divided by 2 would be 1 bag. Because the question says, number of bags can she make? Part B. If she puts 1 pound in each bag, how many bags can she make? So 2 pounds of pecans and 1 pound per bag. What's the number of bags? Well, 2 divided by 1 is 2. If she puts half a pound in one bag, how many bags can she make? Well, total is 2 pounds divided by half a pound in each bag. Well, how many halves make up 2? So there's 2 wholes, there's a half, there's a half. I need 4. So 4 bags would make up 2 pounds of pecans put in half-pound bags. If she puts 1/3 pound in each bag, how many bags can she make? So I have 2 pounds divided in 1/3 pound of bags. Here are my 2 pounds. I'm going to break them into thirds. How many different bags are there? There are 6 bags. Part E, if she puts 1/4 of a pound in one bag, how many bags can she make? So the number of bags. So I have 2 pounds divided by 4ths. Well, so here are my 2 pounds, dividing them into 4ths. How many bags will I make? 8. 8 bags. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 2. Jenny buys 2 pounds of pecans. Part A. If this is half the number she needs to make pecan pies, how many pounds will she need? So number of pounds. So, and this is half the number she needs. Well, I can model this using a tape diagram. So it says she has 2 pounds of pecans. It's half the number she needs. So there's half, and I know that 1/2 is 2. I don't know how many pounds she needs, so I don't know my total. So what I can do is I can take my total pounds that she has right now, divide it by half. So if I know the left half is 2, what must be the right half? 2. So the total would be 4 pounds. Well, I happen to know that dividing 2 by a fraction, I can also go 2 times 2 over 1, which is really 2 times 2. So what's 2 times 2? It is 4. So she needs 4 pounds. Part B. If this is 1/3 1/3 of the number she needs to make pecan pies, how many pounds will she need? So they're saying 2 pounds that she has is 1/3 of what she needs. So here's my tape diagram. It says it's 1/3 of what she needs. So I need to figure out how many pounds will she need. So what's my total? I don't know. So 2 is 1/3. So I must be, and the other third is 2, and the third is 2. Well, let's prove this. 2 divided by thirds is also equal to 2 times what? Well, how many 2's did we have? 1, 2, 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 pounds. So my total is 6 pounds. So showing the tape diagram proves to me that division can be replicated using multiplication when I'm multiplying by a fraction. Part C, if this is 1/4 of the number she needs, so 2 pounds is 1/4 the number she needs to make pecan pies, how many pounds, so what's the number of pounds she will need? Well, so that's my tape diagram again. So it says the 2 pounds is 1/4 of what she needs. How much will she need? I don't know. But I do know if 1/4 is 2, the second fourth must be 2, the third fourth must be 2, and the fourth must be 2. So our answer would be 8 pounds. However, let's prove this using division. So 2 pounds that I started with divided by fourths, so 1/4, which is also equal to 2 times 4. And I see the times 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in my tape diagram. 2 times 4 is 8 pounds. Make sure you showed all your work. Problem number 3. Teen wants to cut 1/4 foot length from a board that is 5 feet long. How many boards can he cut? So what's the number of boards that he can cut? So what do I know? He wants to cut 1 foot lengths from a board that's 5 feet long. So I know my total was 5. And I want to cut it into fourths. Well, based on my 2 previous problems, I know that I can do 5 times 4, which is really 4 over 1, but that 1 means nothing. So we're just going to hide it. So 5 times 4 is equal to 20. And what am I looking for? How many boards can he cut? So it would be 20 boards. We're going to model this with a tape diagram. So here is my 5-foot board. So there's my 5 feet. I'm dividing each of those feet into fourths because of my 1/4 right here. There's 4. There's another 4. Another group of 4. My 4th group of 4 and my 5th group of 4. So 4 times 5 feet is 20. So 20 boards. So that's how I proved that 5 feet divided by 1/4 foot length is equal to 20 boards. Make sure you showed all your work, but you know what? We got to write our answer statement. I forgot. So, teen can cut 20 boards.